Hey, welcome to another edition of Beer's Jacket Barbecue. Today we're going to do some smoked sausage. So I was visiting the parents today, which they live right near a great butcher. So I stopped by, picked up some ring of fresh sausage and 2 rings of onion and pepper sausage. So I like their smoked sausage there, but I actually like smoking my own better. So today we're going to do 3 rings on the Komodo Joe. I have the grill set to about 300 degrees and you can probably see some smoke rolling. Put some apple wood on. I'm going to throw on the rings now and we'll see how everything's cooked. I also use a probe the whole time just because I want to watch and let it get to about 160 when I take the sausage off the grill. All right, here we go. So I'm going to throw the pepper and onion on first. What I like to do is pretty much throw the whole ring on. I worry about cutting it down after it starts cooking, and it's a little bit easier to cut. There's a second ring of the pepper and onion. And I'm going to go down to the fresh. Leaving a little bit of gap between everything so everything can get some smoke on it. All right, and like I said, I'm going to keep it probed the whole time, so just going to get it right in the middle of the sausage. All right, so like I said, we're going to be cooking around 300 degrees for this, and the grill just closed it. It's almost back up to temperature, and we'll let it go for a little while. Got the probes in it, so I'll be watching it and just let it get to about 130 before I come out and cut it apart and turn it. All right, so this is climbing up. I was said about 130. It actually got a little past. I wasn't paying attention. It's about 140, but no big deal. So I like to cut it into about, lengths that I like to use, and then I'll flip them. And we'll let them finish that way. All right, everything's looking good. Gonna close it back up. Let everything go again. And like I said, we're shooting for about 160 before I go to take these off. All right, so like I said, we're gonna bring them off around 160, and we just hit 160. Let's see what they look like. Kind of looking perfect in my opinion. Looks good. I'm going to take them off now. Let's start with the fresh. And I'll take off this pepper and onion sausage. If you've never had it, and if you can find it at a butcher, this stuff is excellent. All right, let's cut one of these up, and let's see what we got. I can tell you this, it was real juicy when I cut into that. I don't know if you saw our cameraman Jack, that's kind of where the name's coming from, reached in there to grab his beer before he's going to have a taste of this. All right, that's going to be it for this one. It was smoked sausage, plain sausage and smoked pepper onion. As you can see, I don't know if you can see it, you can see the peppers that are in that sausage. All right, so if you like what you're seeing, subscribe to our channel. As always, we'll have our contact information below. And as always, we'll have an outline of everything we did tonight. So that way, if there's any questions, it'll be in the outline and you can follow along on what we did tonight. So thanks for joining us, and we'll see you soon.